Welcome to Poolin Embroidery Studio. Today we are showing you how to embroider a cute baby bib using the Poolin EOC06. Alright, everything is ready, let's go! Wrap the stabilizer around the baby bib, iron it, and it will make sticky. This will help your embroidery work so much easier. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a try. Okay, let's place the baby bib onto the embroidery hook. Time to attach the screen. Choose your favorite design. I've downloaded a free one from Richwood. Now let's just import it into the machine. This is the one I'm stitching today, and it is a cute little angle design, perfect for baby items. Usually I prefer to select my color choices directly on the screen. Once I've picked the colors, I can preview how it will look like before starting the embroidery. And today I'm using the smallest one available on the EOC06, the 5.5-inch square hoop. Once selected, machine will automatically perform a motion tracking here. You will see the real move showing the active area within the 5.5-inch hoop. Then just position where you want the embroidery to go, and we can go start stitching. The machine is now working. We can see its real-time process right here. Wow, it's done! Let's tear off the stabilizer and check out how it looks. Okay, that's for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time!